Hello, class 7. I hope you all are fine. So, previously we have started this chapter, Working Families. Now we'll start from here because up to here we have finished. So, today we'll start from here. Okay. My twins, Astha and Anuj, are there in the last year of school and aren't. Okay, Vinita Goel, my twins, Astha and Anuj. So, the Astha and Anuj was the twins of Mrs. Vinita Goel are in their last year of the school and aren't concerned about being looked after as long as I keep their clothes ready to wear. However, I still have to work hard to balance my duties as a doctor, a housewife, and a mother. So, she was a doctor and as a housewife and also a mother. So, she have to look at the three things, three duties she have to look. So, she has to keep the concerns of her both twins, Asta and Anuj. So they are in the last year of the school. Now Rajesh has his own company. So her husband name is Rajesh and he has his own company. But these days he has the freedom to stay at home when he wants once as he no longer has to work such long hours as he used to. So now he is used to he can stay in home, he don't want to, he can't be work until last hours. He actually quite willing to help around the house, but he is totally hopeless at it. So I encouraged him to stay out and work in the garden as much as possible. Tulsi Rawat, my work as a company manager keeps me busy for very long hours and I frequently have to go away on business trips. I love my work and for that reason Gagan desires to stay. So now Tulsi Rawat is working as a company manager, keeps her busy for very long hours and I frequently have to go away on business trips. So she used to go away on business trips sometimes and she loves her work and for that reason Gagan decided to stay at home after Anu was born last year. So Anu is their daughter and Anu born last year and Gagan means her husband used to stay in his home. He is very good at looking after the baby and loves the home environment and he is a copywriter. What's the meaning of copywriter? A person whose job is to write the matter for advertisements. Now he can also do some of his work on our home computer. He emails the work to his clients. He also quite adept at doing the housework, which he does without complaint. Though occasionally I like to help him to show that I am still a part of the family. So he emails the work to his clients. He also quite adept at doing the housework. So her husband Gagan is to do the housework which he does without complaint through occasionally. I like to help him to show that I am still a part of the family. So we have already finished this chapter. So now we have already completed our syllabus. Previously you have not done this homework. So page number 47, you do this homework. Page number 47. Page number 46. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So at least 9 questions you can do. It's a very easy part. So I hope you will not get any problem regarding these questions. So these two will be a homework for this chapter. And one more thing I'll go for and class now chapter wise I'll go. See, from first chapter I'm telling you, complete this exercise. It is very important. Okay, complete this exercise. It is from first chapter. Complete this exercise. All the exercise you must complete it by yourself. It will come in your exam. So I hope you'll complete it. Now we'll go the contents. See here. Keeping fit we have completed. Monday morning we have completed. Excuses we have completed. Experiences hospital we have completed. Girl on the train we have completed. Working families we have completed. Flats and flats. People upstairs. These 8 chapters will be included in your FA1, FA2. So everyone must remember that you have to complete all these exercises. All the question will come from your exercises. So I'll not give the hints, but all the questions are related from this exercise. Okay, so everyone just complete the exercise and prepare for your exam. Okay, understand? So I hope you understand everything. And if you got any queries regarding questions and syllabus, please ask me through and you can call me. So thank you very much.